Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog treats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pupford freeze-dried training treats. With a low calorie count and a simple, wholesome ingredient lists, Pupford freeze-dried dog training treats took our top spot for best dog treats. Each bag contains about 475 treats, so they are great for frequent training sessions. They also come in several flavors: chicken, liver, sweet potato, rabbit, and salmon. So you have options if your dog is sensitive to a certain protein. These are my go-to treats for new puppy parents and owners really looking for high-value treats to use with training, Dr. Christy Crow, DVM, said. I like these because your pup can indulge without packing on the pounds. In addition to being low-calorie and high-protein, the treats are freeze-dried, so they are protected from bacterial contamination, according to Crow. Amazon shoppers agree these treats are worth the buy, with more than 9,000 reviewers giving them 5 stars. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Pet and Shaped Beef Lung Dog Treats. Made with only one ingredient, these beef lung steaks are about as natural as it gets. Perfect for meat-loving dogs, these contain no artificial additives, preservatives, colors, or flavors. These treats are sourced and made in the United States, something Minkowski regularly looks for in dog treats, especially those containing high amounts of protein. We've had issues with toxins in some of the meats that are sourced elsewhere, and then they find their way into our treats, Minkowski said. This treat may serve as a good alternative to jerky treats, which have been linked to pet illnesses and fatalities in recent years. At number 3, we have the Greenies Pill Pockets. Greenies Pill Pockets are a veterinarian favorite when it comes to administering medication. The moldable treats have a pocket that you can fill with medication and then close so that your dog doesn't know it's there. People have a hard time with getting meds into animals, Minkowski said. For cats and dogs, the pill pocket is one of the best things that we've found to hide medication in. At number 2, we have the Verbac C.E.T VeggieDent Tartar Control Chews. This treat doubles as a toothbrush for your dog. Verbac dental chews are designed to help reduce tartar and plaque buildup on your dog's teeth. This is a product that has proof and research behind it for what it claims it does, Crow said. It says that it's formulated to prevent plaque and tartar buildup, and it has met the Veterinary Oral Health Council testing standards to meet these claims. They come in a stick form that cleans your dog's teeth as they chew. Made from plant-based materials, these chews are especially good for dogs who are sensitive to animal protein. Dr. Jamie Wittenberg, DVM, veterinarian director at Senior Tail Waggers, tells people the chews are her favorite because they are yummy and satisfying for your dog, and approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, VOHC, to remove both plaque and tartar. She says to make sure you give your dog the right size as they have to chew on it for best effectiveness. If it's too big, they might not finish it. Note that this treat is designed for maintaining healthy teeth, and it does not replace dental check-ins with a veterinarian. And finally, at number 1, we have the Purina DentaLife Adult Large Dog Treats. Another strong choice for a teeth cleaning treat is Purina's DentaLife treats. Similar to the Verbac treats, these come in stick form and help control plaque and tartar. They have ridges to help get to hard-to-reach places. Minkowski cautioned that because these treats come in a large breakable form, they could be a choking hazard. It may not be the best choice for your pet if they break off pieces and swallow them, Minkowski said. You do want to supervise them if your dog is one that tends to break treats off. Like the Verbac treats, these chews do not replace regular dental care from a veterinarian. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.